Double straight leg lift. Bring the legs together and then reach the feet for the sky. Bring the hands behind the head, lift the shoulders, and then lower the legs down straight towards the mat and then lift them to return. Inhale to lower the legs, exhale to lift the legs. This is a strong exercise, again, really controlling and stabilizing through the torso as you reach the long limbs away and back to the center. So reverse of the breath can really work well here as you exhale to lower the legs and inhale to lift the legs. Only lower the legs as far as you feel able to control and maintain stability. Again, we would like to be in a neutral position here, but we will allow the pelvis to tilt back somewhat just to create that stability through the pelvis. But what you want to avoid is really forcing the lumbar spine into the mat.